Nah, 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 nah. My check. Okay, welcome to lab 4. Today we configure firewall rule. First, let's log in into computer PC1. Okay, log in. Now I will show you how to find a firewall. First, go to control panel, window firewall, advanced setting. This is where all the rules were set for in power and out power and anything. Now we will go to the other PC, PC2, log in. We open up command prompt, run administrator, yes. Now we go back to PC1, do the same thing. Now we will try to identify the IP address of the PC1 computer. Last all. This is the IP address of the PC1. Now we go to the PC2 to ping PC1 to show that there is connection between the two computers. 168.1.203. Yep. The connection go through. Now we're gonna set up. Go back to PC1 to set up a rule. Establish a new rule to stop the connection. Inbound, new rules, custom, all program, next, type ICMPP4, customize, check all ICMP type, okay, next. Next, we will block the connection. Next, give it a name. ICMP deny finish. Okay, we can see the rule right here. The new rule. Okay, now go back to PC2. We'll ping it again. Yep, request timeout. So because there is a new rule in play to stop any connection from the outside. So that's the reason why the PC2 cannot ping to the PC1 anymore. So that's it.